Right. Good morning, everyone. Are you able to hear me? Okay, Sindhu. I didn't understand what you did. So please share your doubts and screenshots in our group so that we will help you. If you ask the question saying that, I'm getting errors and how can I solve your problems? I give in the Facebook group now. When you face the problem, immediately you share your problems in the group, right? Go to Java by Hare Krishna group. Here you can share your problems. I don't know why you people don't want to use this link. Okay. Here you can ask your questions. Why you people don't like to ask the questions? This group is created for your purpose only, for sharing your problems only, for sharing your doubts only. Right? But nobody is activated. Nobody is active in this group. You are facing the problems and you are working by your own and struggling like anything. Why don't you share your problems here? Yeah, iPhone source will not work with very older versions. Okay, if you write this question in the group, your seniors will also come to know there is a hyphen source option is there. 1.2 version will not work. My explanation to you will work with other people also, na? What do you say? So if you wait for me to the next class 24 hours, why you are waiting? Hyphen source option will not work with outdated versions. Okay, it will work with only maximum previous 2 to 3 versions only it will work. 1.2 it will not work. It will work from 1.5 also. 1.5 also I have doubt. You need to check once. Okay, got clarity? Yeah? Okay. So if you got any questions, immediately all the people share your questions in the group so that your question is known to other people and my answer will known to other people. Okay. Right. Then now, this is the group link. All the people join now. Start working, start sharing your questions here. Okay. Now in today class, we will try to continue last class points. In last class, we are trying to understand class path, right? Complete knowledge on the class path we got. Right, I will ask you today as a small assignment. Any of you missed yesterday class? Because of Rakhi Purnami, Raksha Bandhan? Any of you missed yesterday class? Yesterday class video has given already. It's there in the video, right? This is the class path and source file FAQs. This is yesterday class. This is Monday class. And Saturday class, because last 3 days you have, festivals are there, and I know you give the importance to your festivals, not to importance to your class. Okay, light this, you can take light the class, okay, but festivals are very important. If festival is missing, more how much you miss from your life, right? This is Friday, I guess. Saturday also there. Okay, July 31st. That's it. 3 videos. So 31st Friday, Saturday, and Monday. These are 3 days videos I have streamed. These are the 3 videos I'm sharing to you. Please try to collect it. Please practice. Okay, these are 3 classes. If you missed any one of the class, understanding next coming classes very tough. That's why I'm requesting you all the people practice. Okay, today class, let us try to see the next story. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards, I'm starting new core Java batch evening 4 p.m. Okay, people who have late joined in this batch, please don't come for backup classes, those classes. Understand? Some people may be planning to come to backup classes. I will not teach same content in one batch to another batch. Completely, I will change the order. I will discuss the way I am teaching. Everything will be different. If you come to another batch, you will feel that you want to come to again. You want to skip this batch and want to come to that batch. So please don't come for backup classes. I already shared the classes missing videos to all, right? First beginning one week classes I have shared. And what are the topics you have missed, let me know. I will give you those class videos. If you come for backup classes, definitely you will feel, okay, something you are missing feeling you will get, and you cannot continue 9 o'clock. I never continue the same topic from one batch to another batch. And it's a confusion. I set up one flow to your batch. You must follow the same flow. Okay. So don't come for backup. Whatever the topics you missed, let me know. I will give you those topic backups in your class only. Clear my point? This batch is for your juniors, not for you. Inform to your juniors, inform to your brothers, inform to your seniors who want to learn core Java, inform them. Okay. And the link already given in the description in the live video. Okay. Link is already given in the description in the live video. This is your live video you are following now. In the description already it is there. Look at there. Okay, in the description already there. You just click on this description link. Okay, so click on this and down you can register your name, your name, email, and country, phone number, and city. Click on register. Then you will get mail the link of this webinar. Okay, this class link you will get and you can join. Is it clear? Okay. Sumit, Sumit, tomorrow we will discuss about it. Okay, how to cover other classes. I will let you know. You join from August 1st. Okay. So are you from IT background? Okay. Okay, don't worry. Okay, then I'll give you the previous videos. You can follow them. Okay. So no need to worry about it. All right. Let's continue today class. Right. In last class we are discussing about compiler, JVM class path. We have completed up to here, right? So program compiled by using higher version JDK, let's say 14. Then how can we execute this class using, can we execute this class using lower version JVM? Not possible. If you try, you will get unsupported class version error you will get. Let me show you quickly this point, okay? So these points onwards, very important. D drive, core Java, Java basics, open, command prompt, and here delete existing .class file, delete star.class Java C hyphen version. Which version we are using? Java 14 version we are using. Java C a.java. Compile by using higher version. Now I'm trying to execute by using same version. Any problem? No problem. Executed. Now set path equal to C:/ JDK. Any lesser version I am using. And then JDK bin I set. Then now I am trying to run Java A. Now we got exception. What is the exception? Exception in thread main java.lang. Unsupported class version error. A unsupported major or minor version 58.0. What the meaning of 58.0? I will tell you now. Okay. Now try to answer now. Okay. What the point here? So what must we do when we get below error? Java.lang. Unsupported class version error, unsupported major or minor version number, let's say 58.0. When we get this error, what you must do? You must know using which version JDK software it is compiled, you must know. Okay, this 58.0 is the version number. Okay, you must know using which version compiler this program is compiled. You must run that program by using that version compiler or higher version compiler you must use. Sir, how do we know? 14 and I know, 13 I know, 12 I know, but what is this 58.0, sir? Every version internally maintaining with this number. Okay, start from 1.6. Let us understand, because in the system we have 1.6. 1.6 version number is 50. Implicit version number is 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Sir, how can I remember 50 is 1.6, sir? Okay, how can I remember 51 is 1.7, sir? Okay, very good. Now look at here, simple. 50, you divide this digits, number into digits. 5 plus 0. Okay, 5 plus 0, how much? 5. And still we have 1 here, add that one. 5 plus 1, 6. Now, which version is? Java 6 version. JDK compiler version 6 version. Next, tell me 51. You found in the .class file, the version number is 51. Okay, 51 means which version? Apply the same algorithm. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1. One value you must add. Always 1 you must add to that number. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And 58 is what? 14. Did you understand how to do calculation? How can we know the class compiled using which version compiler? Open .class file. How to open .class file? I told you, Java P space. Class name is what? A. When in Java PA, you will get only declarations. I want full code. I want a full byte code. I want read. To read full byte code, what should I do? Java P space hyphen verbose I must use. Do you remember? Hyphen source, hyphen D, hyphen CP, hyphen class path, hyphen class hyphen path, like options. Java P is also having option called what? Hyphen version. Java P hyphen version, following by, you give the class name. Then it will show the complete details about the class. Okay, minor version 0, major version is what? 58. So this class A is compiled by using 58 version. What the 58 version? 5 plus 8, 13 plus 1, 14. Oh, it is compiled by using 14 version. So to execute this program, I must set path equal to C:/JDK 14 version only, or next version 15 version. Then the program is successfully, then the program is executed successfully. Let me compile this program. Java C hyphen verbose. Current version is 14. Okay. Java C hyphen version. Sorry. Java C hyphen version. Current version is 14. Let me set path equal to C:/JDK 1.8 version. Let me choose bin Java C a.java. Compile successfully. Tell me. Now I wanted to know what is the dot class file version number created background. Java P A. Look at the version number. I have to use hyphen verbose na. Java P hyphen verbose. Look at the version number coming what? 52. 52. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So which version we have compiled? 8 version. So now here what number is placed? 52. You know which version it is used. Okay. All you people understand? After, when you wanted to execute your program, when you're running your program, if you got error, if you want to know which version compiler is compiler, if you wanted to know, then what to do? You have to see the dot class file by using this command java p hyphen verbose a, and you have to find the major version number. Major version number, each digit you add plus 1, then the major version number will come. Then now I'm trying to set the path. Set path equal to C:/JDK 7/bin, and I'm trying to execute this class A. Will it executed or not executed? Not executed. Will get java.lang.unsupported version error, unsupported major dot minor version 52.0. Then here version number already showing by compiler 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Oh, this program compiled by using 8 version. Then you have to set path to C:/JDK 8 version, and then run the program executed. Now tell me, set path equal to C:/JDK 9 version I am setting. Will it work or not? If can it execute by 9 version? Yes. JVM version number must be either same as a compiler version or its higher version. Look at their program successfully executed. Always lower version compiled programs can be executed by higher version JVM, but not by lower version JVM. I hope this point is clear to all. Next, how can we compile a source file with lesser version compiler? By installing higher version JDK. So simple, you must use Java C hyphen source, which version you wanted to compile, that version number you have to say 1.7. Current version is 9. Now current version we set 9. A.java compile. So with 1.7 features, it will compile. If you try to use some other versions, okay, 1.8 or 1.9 features, if you use, compiler software will throw error. For example, now A.java file I am opening. In A.java file, I'm using 1.7 features. Okay, 1.8 features. What the 1.8 features? Something like this I'm writing. Runnable, lambda expression is there. I'm using runnable R equal to arrow, just open bracket, closure bracket. This is a lambda expression. Okay, it's a lambda expression. Then go to command prompt and now compile it. Let's see is compiled or not. I got error. Look at their error. Lambda expressions are not supported in this version. So if you want to make sure you don't want to use 8 version features, you want to use up to 7 version features only. You don't want to use 8 version features, you want to use only up to 7 version features, then you have to specify 1.7. Then compiler software will know which feature is given in which version. I'm using lambda expression which is belongs to 8 version. Current compiler version is 9. I can use 8 features, but because of source 1.7, I want to compile this program with the features of 1.7. Then if I use 7 version, 8 version features, it is throwing error. Now clear screen. Now I'm commenting it. I will show you one small point here. You will get shocked. Commenting compiled. Now compiled successfully because I'm using up to 1.7 features only. Then I wanted to see what is the version number added. Java P version number added implicitly I wanted to see. Look at their major version number. What is added? 53. What is the meaning of 53? 5 plus 3, what? Below. 5 plus 3, what? 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Which version compiler we used to compile? 9 version. This program compiled by using 9 version compiler, but only features are available up to 1.7 only. Is it clear my point? This program is compiled by using 9 version compiler with only containing 7 versions. So hyphen source 1.7 will tell you, will make sure this hyphen source option will make sure in this .java file we have used features only up to 7 version. Only it will talk about features only. So you are not allowed to use 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 features. Compiled by using the Java C 9 version, major version number is 9 only will be added, but features will be up to 7 only allowed in this Java file. So if you want to stop adding the features up to some version, you have to use hyphen source. Everybody got clarity? Yeah? So people generally call it as, if you want to compile a program with the compatible of lesser versions, then we have to use hyphen source. Okay, that is the basic idea. Can I use any version number? No, there is a limitation. End of the life, outdated versions you should not use. For example, if I use 1.1, it will throw error. Invalid source release. And next, if I take 1.2, it will throw error. Okay, 1.2 not allowed. Okay, source option 1 point is no longer supported. And now I'm using 1.3, not supported. Okay, no longer supported. 1.4 no longer supported. Okay, 1.5 no longer supported. 1.6 supported. Okay, 1.6 supported. Source 1.6 is obsolete and remove in the future releases. Are you catching my point? 1.6 now supporting, but in future we will remove. Up to 1.5 supporting is stopped. Okay, and next 1.7, yes, supported. Okay, not giving any warning. And next 1.8, no problem, you can. This message will come. This is a warning. It is a warning. No need to worry about it. Okay, so this is the basic idea about source option. Yesterday these are the points we have missed because of time completed, so I have completed today these topics. Is it clear? So last topics, these are three questions. Any doubts in these three questions? Now assignment I am giving. Set class path in all 5 ways to access Oracle driver library files. Oracle driver API. Oracle driver API class or classes. For example, oracle.jdbc.driver.oracle driver. Okay, this is a assignment. Can you please try to work out now yourself? I want you give me the commands. Okay, right, I'll show you where this class is available. Okay, now I'm going to command prompt window, open new command prompt window. Now Java P, I want to read the bytecode of the class. Java P, paste. When I run, we got error. Class not found, Oracle JDBC driver.oracle driver. Java P command, command prompt software found Java P command because of path variable. Now Java P command unable to find this class. We got error, class not found. When you got error, class not found, what you must do? Come on, what you must do? You must set class path, right? How many ways we can set class path? 5 ways. Hyphen CP, hyphen class path, hyphen class hyphen path, set class path, and permanent settings. Okay, then in a hyphen CP, hyphen class path, hyphen class hyphen path, in these 3 options, you no need to use dot. Okay, you no need to use dot because it is working only in one command line. But in a set class path command, environment variables window, permanent settings, you must use dot. I hope you have remember that point. Okay, then I will show you where it is available. It is available in Oracle software. Go to Oracle software. I installed Oracle software already in my system. This PC. Now the C drive app folder, in app HK, in HK product 1210 db and db home underscore 1. Look at there. Library files are available in. Come on. Library files are available in lib folder. Now search for lib folder. Lib folder. Yes, lib folder is found. But this is whose lib folder? Oracle software lib folder. Hello. This lib folder contain library files of Oracle software. You want library files of Oracle software, you want library files of JDBC na? Oracle JDBC library you want, right? You want Oracle JDBC library. You want Oracle software, JDBC library you want. Then you have to go to JDBC folder. In JDBC folder, lib folder. In lib folder, try to observe. There are so many jar files are there. So I told you many times, if other company is giving some libraries to you, some other company like Sun Microsystem company, Oracle company, Tomcat company, any company giving library files, you have to set class path. Those classes are available in which folder? Not in a lib folder, not directly available. Yesterday we have created our own classes, C drive, our own classes we have placed directly in the test folder dot class, directly placed. But predefined classes are not available as a loose classes. They're available as a jar file. So you have to include jar file in the class path. OJDBC 7.jar file, if you open with WinRAR software, and then in WinRAR software, there is a package called Oracle. In Oracle package, we have JDBC. In JDBC, we have driver. In JDBC, we have driver. In driver package, we have, observe, Oracle driver, Oracle connection, Oracle driver. Oracle driver class is available. So tell me, Oracle driver class is available in the OJDBC 7.jar file. OJDBC 7.jar file is available in the lib folder JDBC DB home 1210 product HK app C drive. So in class path, I must include this entire path. All you people got clarity? Yeah? Then tell me what I should write. Java P space -cp space paste that path slash OJDBC 7.jar following by which class I have to type? Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. Enter. Look at that. Class found na? The class, inside the class available all variables, methods, everything showing to us, compiled from the Java file, and this is the class, everything available. This class is implementing from some driver interface. Babu, assignment understand? Right? This is the assignment. Now I want to use with a hyphen class path. Yeah, it will work. Hyphen class path also will work. Hyphen class path. Okay. Next, will it work with hyphen class path? Yeah. Hyphen class path also it will work. Java 9 version. Hyphen class path. Yes, working. Okay. Next, will it work with the set class path option? Yeah, basically it will work. Okay. Set class path means what I should use? Set class path option means you must not use the class name. What I should use? This path. You must assign to whom now? Java P place what, right? Set class path equal to, I hope you remember, you must include dot semicolon, right? And at last, you should not lose the existing class path. Okay, existing class path you should not use. Then at last you should write, right? Semicolon, percentage, class path percentage. Any of you remember? Then run. Okay. Now Java P. Okay. Let me type. Java P. Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. Okay, that is working fine. Will it work in D drive? Yes, because you set the command prompt. Will it work in the E drive? Will it work in the E drive? Yes. You are setting the command prompt level path. It is working. But it will work only for current command prompt. New command prompt, will it work? No. Let me copy that one again instead of typing it. Go to, where is that command? Yeah. Java P, enter, paste, run. It will not work. We are getting error. Then tell me, what should I do to use this path permanently? I have to set class path. Okay, what to do? Right click this PC, permanent setup this PC, properties, advanced system settings. Okay, environment variables. Class path already there. Yesterday, our sample.class file current working directory we have included. What to do? I should create I should edit. I should create, click new, click edit. I should edit, and then 3 class paths already there. Then come here to the third row, paste your path. Oh, sorry. sorry. Now click on browse. Click on browse. Now this PC, C drive, app, app, product, JDBC, ABCDFGH, JDBC. In JDBC, lib, select, and then should not leave up to lib. You have to give slash OJDBC7.jar. If you only up folder, okay. If you give up to lib, class is not found because class is not available in lib folder. Click on OK. Look at that, automatically semicolon is added. Semicolon, okay, semicolon automatically is added. Click on OK. Click on OK. Close this. And now open new command prompt window. New command prompt window. Paste. Run. Executed. Okay, I didn't do any setup. It is executed. Everybody got clarity? Babu. Okay, this is assignment number 1. Behalf of you, I only did assignment. Right, I want you do assignment number 2. This is assignment number 1. Set class path. Set class path in all 5 ways to access Tomcat servlet API, or you can say access Tomcat API, servlet API classes from Tomcat folder or Tomcat software folder. Okay, Tomcat software folder, for example, Java X dot servlet dot servlet. Okay, Java X is a package, servlet is a package, servlet is a interface name, class name. Okay, servlet interface, it is an interface. What is the interface? I'll tell you. Okay, and now tell me, first of all, if you want to access Tomcat software, must be there in your system now. Let me see, Tomcat there in my system or not. Tomcat there in my system or not. Look at that, C drive, Apache, Tomcat. So in my system not there now, sir. Head download. Go to Google and type Tomcat download. Okay, you will get the Tomcat download software link. Download it, and then you will get a zip file. Extract into C drive. Then this folder will come. In this folder, what you want? Library files. Okay, library files of Tomcat only. Okay, then go to lib folder. In lib folder, you'll find so many jar files. Anybody can find in which jar file servlet API is available. Annotations, Catalina, Jasper, JSP, JSP. Look at that. Servlet-API.jar file. The name itself clearly giving it contains servlet API, right? Open the servlet API.jar file with vendor Java X dot servlet capital S. Servlet.class is available in the jar file. So I should include up to lib folder or up to jar file. Up to jar file you must include. Close this. Go to here. Come to command prompt. Will you do or should I do? What do you say? Will you do? Should I do? Set class path equal to what do you write? C:/ Apache Tomcat / lib slash which servlet, which API need? Servlet-API.jar. Shall I press enter? No. If I press enter, what happen? Existing class path will lose. You must always habituate writing %class %. Now Java P earlier class path Oracle will be working because why Oracle driver not found. Set class path. Oh, earlier class path is not saved. Okay, in permanent directory. Exit. Open new command prompt, and then set class path. Now in class path already Oracle is there, C:/test is there, current directory is there. Clear screen. Set class path equal to C:/, okay, Apache Tomcat / lib slash servlet-API dot semicolon %class path %. Okay, then Java sample. Our sample class will be accessed and executed from where? C:/test. The next Java Java A will work or will not work? Will not work because it's a current directory is HK, not there. And next Java P space, what do you call, Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. Found or not? Yes, working. And next clear screen. Java P, Java X dot servlet. Working or not? Yes. Why it's not working? So if not working, what should I do? Class path. Correct only given na? Oh, spelling mistake. Right? SCR. Look at the servlet is also working. So I hope you got confidence on. I hope all you people got confidence on working with class path. If advanced faculty has a question, do you know about class path? Then what do you say? Okay. So tell me what you want, how to do setup. So will you tell to faculty now correctly? Do you know about path to class path? Advanced Java, JDBC, jar files, advanced Java, servlet, jar files. You are going to use in the advanced Java. So without knowing path to class path, understanding advanced Java impossible. So I given full clarity on path and class path. If faculties are asking any questions, you must answer. Okay, if interview raise any questions related to path and class path, you should show your talent. Okay, can we do quickly permanent settings? Permanent settings can we do? Right click, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, then class path variable. What should I do? Edit, then come here. If you are using Java 7, Windows 7, Windows 8 version, you will get the path like this. Be careful. Come to end. Always make sure dot must be at beginning, because always you open your project folder, classes must find in the project folder. Na? If you place dot at last, then tell me what happened. Dot will be searching at last after searching all. Time taking process. Na? So you must place dot at the beginning. It is recommended so that our project classes will be searched in current directory, not in another directories, and execution time will not be wasted. Then here I should browse the file. If you browse the file here, what happened? It replaced. Already we tested. So what to do? Go to C drive, go to Apache Tomcat lib, right click, copy this path, paste at end, semicolon you have to place, okay? And then take a servlet -api.jar file, complete name you take, .jar also you must place, extension also must include in the class path, slash forgot, slash be careful, slash also must place carefully, and click on okay, click on okay, click on okay, close this window, and test once again in the command prompt. That's all. Story completed. Everyone got clarity? Yeah. So assignments also we have done 50 questions plus assignment. So we're having full clarity on compiler activities, JVM activities, and their throwing errors, and class path working, and compiling and placing the .class file in different directory, and accessing from our directory by using class path, different ways of setting class path, importance of dot in the class path. Okay, and okay, what should we do when we get class not found exception? Set the class path. And next, can we install multiple JDKs and how to access? And whenever we are having multiple JDKs, there is a chance we may compile with higher version and execute with the lower version. What the problem? How to find the program compile with which version JDK? All these points are very, very important points with your interview point of view. Fine. Now moving to the next story. All are ready to come? So, boring topics, interesting. Choice is yours. If you are feeling good, I will continue. If you are feeling boring, I'll stop. Today class is source file structure, source file structure, package, import level, package and import level entry questions. Today chapter is, it's a new chapter, okay? Source file structure, first you should know. If you want to develop any program, first you should know source file structure. Following by, today we are learning from the source file, we are learning how to create package, how to compile program with a package, how to execute program with a package, how to access one packaged class from another packaged class by using what keyword? Import. Package and import keyword related points we are learning in today class. So this is a new chapter, okay? It's a new chapter. Everyone got clarity? Yeah? Fine. Okay, fine. Then now let's start with the story. First question. What is a source file? Anybody can tell me? What is source file? A file that has a source code is called source file. Na? Hello. What is a source file? A file that has source code is called what? Source file. Hey, any file can you call as a source file? No, no, no. A .java extension file. Excellent, 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 wonderful. Somal Raju, Karthik Raju. Oh my God, how many names are there in your name? Okay, now tell me now. What is a source file? What is a source file? A .java file that has, okay, so a .java file that has source code written by the programmer is called what? Source file. Point number one. Next, what is a source code? Okay, a code that is written in high level language by programmer in user understandable way is called source code. Okay, in Java language, source code is saved inside .java file. Okay, what type of code source file contains? High level language code source file contains. Okay, now based on the language syntax, what is the source file structure? Okay, which is source file? Java source file. Every language is having the structure. Okay, what is the Java source file structure? Already you know Java file source file structure. And tell me, what is the Java source file structure? I open Notepad. Okay, I open Notepad. Okay, some people are telling that today class is very boring. Okay, thank you for sharing your feeling. Okay, Sonal Singh. Okay, okay. What is my suggestion to you? You can leave today class and come tomorrow class. If tomorrow class, if you feel interesting, then continue. Tomorrow also, if you feel boring, you can leave class. Okay, na? What do you say? So if you are feeling boring, happily you can leave. No one will object. It is Zoom class now. It is not regular class. No, just click on leave button and happily you can leave. Whenever you feel class is interesting, that day you continue the class. What do you say? Catch my point? Very simple point. Now come to the story now. So now this is my source file. Saving with the name. Okay. Can I go to the next folder? Java basics we completed by yesterday. I am creating another new folder because second chapter na new chapter, second folder I'm creating 02. What the chapter? Packages. Okay, it will take 2 days, sir. Today and tomorrow. Okay, today and tomorrow, 2 days it will take. It's a big chapter, big topic. Okay, packages. In packages, now I'm saving this class name as, okay, this Java file name as example.java. Okay, I'm saving with the name example.java. Okay, fine. Then now the source file. What is the source file? .java extension file is called source file, which contain the code in high level language, which is understandable to programmer. Okay, then next, what is the source file structure? Inside source file, what you can create inside a source file, as a first statement we can place documentation. What do you place? Documentation. Source file structure. First you write documentation. What is the meaning of documentation? Documentation is nothing but description. Okay, just a comments. Okay, documentation is nothing but description or comments. Why you have written this Java file? Okay, what I am going to do in this Java file? Why have written class? Why have written variable? Why have written method? Why have written constructor? Why I'm writing each condition? Okay, the complete description is nothing but what? Documentation. Now documentation section. Second is what? Package. Next statement, next to the documentation, we paste what? Package statement. Next to package, we'll write import statement. Okay, next we write import statement. Next to import statement, we will place class. Okay, next to import statement, we will place class. Do you remember, like class, we have 6 types of classes I told you. First class is what? Interface. Second class is called abstract class. Don't ask me what is interface, just accept. You cannot understand and we don't want to waste the time on this topic explanation. When situation come, I will explain you. Okay, next abstract class after concrete class. Okay, concrete class. Then next final class. And the next final class after enum. Enum. Come on, any of you remember, you type your side annotation. So these are the 6 types of classes we have: interface, abstract class, concrete class, final class, enum, annotation. Currently we are dealing with a concrete class. Okay, just a class is nothing but concrete class. If the class contain abstract keyword, then it is called abstract class. If a class contain final keyword, it is called final class. If a class contain interface keyword, it is called interface. If class contain enum keyword, is called enum. Are you catching my point? So currently we are dealing with the class, but concrete is not a keyword, it is just a concept. Okay, fine. So now this, okay, inside a Java file, first we will place a documentation section. Next to documentation, package statement, import statement, interface, abstract class, concrete class, final class, enum and annotation. Okay, fine. Next to annotation, observe now, sir. If you want to execute a class, you need main method, na? Right? Is it a main method? No, no, no. Now tell me, interface, abstract class, concrete class, final class, enum, annotation. These 6 classes are meant for representing object and its operations and its values. So these 6 classes are meant for just only to represent object. These 6 classes, we don't create main method. So in these 6 classes, we will create business logic methods, normal methods. And to execute those methods, I need main method class. Na? At last, we will place one main method class. Okay, we will place one main method class. So this is the basic idea about Java source file structure. Inside a Java source file, what I can create? Okay, I have make it very bigger, but simply if we say that inside Java source file, we can create only 4 things. That's all. Okay, inside a Java source file, we can create only 4 things. I just elaborated. Java source file contain only 4 things. Number 1, documentation section. Number 2, package. Number 3, import statement. Number 4, class. Apart from these 4 statements, anything else you write, compiler software will throw error. So now this class is contain 6 types of classes. What is that? Interface. For full clarity purpose, I'm writing abstract class, concrete class, and then what? Final class, and then what? Enum, and then annotation, and last but not least, main method. Okay, totally 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. These are the 10 different things we can create inside a Java source file. Apart from these 10 things, anything you write directly inside a Java file, compiler will play chedugudu with you. Okay, compiler will take you into one room and then beating like anything on your face and on your stomach. Okay, are a tumri fellow, you don't know minimum source file structure and you come to Java language to write a programs. It started beating like anything, take into corner. In childhood, your father or mother beating you, na? Yes or no? Recollect. Okay. So these are the basic structure you have to create. Apart from these 10 members, anything else you write, compiler will throw compile time error. Okay, fine. The next question, carefully think now. Can I write these members in any order? Can I write these members in any order? No, you must follow some structure, some order you must follow. In a Java file, you can place a documentation section anywhere your wish. Okay, you can write anywhere. Documentation section, You can write anywhere. What the meaning of anywhere? You can write either as a first line or after package, after import, after interface, abstract class, concrete class, final class enum, and even you can write inside also. You can write anywhere, no problem, no objection. Documentation section you can place anywhere, no problem. Can I place package statement anywhere? Can I place import statement anywhere? No, no, no. You cannot place anywhere. Must place here only. Must place at beginning of the class, beginning of Java file, before class declarations. Okay, must place at beginning of the Java file before class declaration. Why? Can you please click on raise button so that I can see your comments? Package statement, import statement must be placed before class declarations. Tell me, what is a package? I told you, package is simply a folder. Okay, package is a folder. In that folder, all these classes will be go and save. Package is used for grouping classes. How it can group the classes? By storing .class files. Tell me, now if package you place at end of the Java file, then first what generated? .class files are generated. When a .class file generated, where should I place? That information must be there, na? So tell me, are you allowed to place package after class? No. First you must create the folder, and then you have to declare the classes, so the .class files are generated, and those .class files will go into the package folder. So where you can place package statement and import statement must be placed before class declaration only. Should not place anywhere, wherever you like. So at the beginning of the Java file, you must place package statement. After package statement, now you must allow to place import statement. After import statement, now you are allowed to place these classes. In which order? In which order? After package can place in any order, but only after fill the statement, but only after where? But only after package and package and import statements. Okay, simply package and import you write enough, but only after package and import. Okay, right. Then next question, sir, what the use of import? Why I should place import before interface? Import is used for accessing the classes available inside one package. Inside package P1, I have a class called A. Now I want to access class A from the class B, which is available in the package P2. So I'm giving two packages, package P1, package P2. If you want to access package P1 classes from package P2, I must mention what? Import statement. If you don't use import statement, compiler software don't know in which package the class called A is available. So if you want to access a class from another package class, first of all, you must tell in which package the class is available. So package statement, import statement must be at the beginning of the Java file. You must place before class declaration. All you people got clarity? Yeah? Any doubts? Tell me, inside a Java file, totally how many different statements we are allowed to place? 10 different statements we can allow to place. In which order we must place? Documentation can be placed anywhere. Package and import statement must be placed at the beginning of the Java file before class declaration. Import statement must be placed after package statement and before class declaration. Interface to main method. This is main method class, sorry. This is main method class, not main method class. Okay, main method you cannot place directly, main method class. Okay, interface to main method class you can place anywhere. Okay, right. Then next, why package statement must be the first statement in Java file? Package statement must be the first statement in the Java file because package statement create the folder, and in that folder .class file must be saved. That's why package statement must be first statement. If you place package statement as a second or third or somewhere, then in which folder the generated .class file should store? No idea. Next question. Import statement, where import statement is allowed? Import statement is allowed only after package statement and before class declaration, because import statement will tell a class is available in which package. Okay, Okay, if you don't know which package the class is available, how can I access the class? Okay, so package statement is telling current Java file package, and import statement is talking another Java file package. Okay, got clarity? Yeah? Next, I'm going to next questions. Tell me, inside one Java file, how many documentations I can write? How many descriptions you can write? Multiple star, your wish. You can place 0 to n. Okay, 0 to n number of documents you can write, your wish. Tell me, how many package statements I can write? Anybody can tell me? How many package statements we are allowed to write? Can I write 0 to n? Bolo. Can I write 0 to 1? No, 0 or 1 only. So tell me, if I create 0 to n number of packages, what the use of it? Two packages I created, let's say. Now the generated dot class file will go and store in the two folders. What the use of it? Okay, one dot class file should store in one folder only. Na? Why you are storing duplicate unnecessary hard disk memory waste? Na? Next, how many import statements are allowed? Anybody can guess and tell me how many import statements are allowed? Okay, 0, 0, 2. How many import statement? Only one. Some people are telling only one array. What did you understand, Anna? Import statement is used for accessing the classes available in another package. Tell me, I have P1 package, P2 package, P3 package, P4 package. I have 10 packages. Then in all 10 packages available classes I must access, na? Okay, for that, how many import statement I should write? If you're allowed to place one import, then only one package class I can access. But what about other packages? So answer is what? 0 to n. 0 to n import statements are allowed, but only after package statement and before class declarations. And next, tell me, how many interfaces, abstract classes, concrete classes, final classes are allowed? How many interfaces, abstract classes, concrete classes, final classes, enum, annotation, and main method. Okay, okay, how many allowed? Tell me now, how many allowed? 0 to n number allowed. Your wish. 0 to n number you can write, no problem. And then tell me, main method class. Okay, main method class is optional or mandatory? Okay, documentation section is optional, that's why 0. Next, package is optional, that's why 0. Import statement is optional, that's why 0. Interface, abstract class, concrete class, final class, enum annotation optional, that's why 0. Are babu buji, main method is optional. If a main method class is also optional, then why you are writing the source file? It is mandatory, that means one, only one. Conditions apply. 1 to 1 to n. Okay, 1 to n, 1 to n you can write. Okay, let me write 0 or 1 to n you can write. 0 or 1 to n number of main method classes also we can write. I'll show you that. Okay, it is essential, or you can say mandatory. Okay, it is a mandatory, right? Now 0 main method class you can write, or you can write 1 main method class you can write. Also you can write n number of main method classes. Then immediate doubt will come, sir, if I write n number of main method classes, from which class main method is executed? Are chitti, you are running Java command by giving class name a na? Bolo Java a, right? If you write Java a, main method executed from class a. Then tell me, you want to execute second class main method. Second class name is what? B. If I write Java B, from which class main method executed? From class B. So JVM by default not taking decision to execute main method from which class. JVM executes the main method from the class whose name you are passing as argument to main method. I hope all people got clarity. Okay, so this is the very important point about source file structure. Can I hope all people got clarity? Please take screenshot. Okay, no questions, sir? All people comfortable? I'm removing the screenshot, okay? Or else let me save also, no problem. Previously I said program executed from main method from the class you have given. You given which class name? Java first program. First program execution is started from main method available in the first program class. Sindhu, understand? Here program is what? Class I told you, no? Program is class. Now the first program class execution starts from main method. Okay? Now, try to answer all these questions. What is a source file? Understood. Next, what is a source code? Understood. What type of source files contains? What type of code source file contains? Tell me, what type of code it contain? Declarations or logic? Tell me, sir. What type of code it contain? Declaration or logic? Source file, source file. Come on. Which type of code source code contain? Only declarations it contain. Logic is a part of methods, na? Logic is part of methods. So you can contain only declarations inside a class. You cannot write logic. Inside a source file, if you write logic, compiler will throw error. I'll show you all the points practically. Let me show you that. Okay, let me create one Java file, open notepad, and here I'm writing class A, open bracket, closed bracket, save it. Now I'm writing with the name. You can save with any name, na? Okay, you can save with any name. I'm writing with the name test01.java. Okay, save it. Go to command prompt. Open command prompt with the packages folder, Java C test01.java. Compile successfully. Look at their background. That class file created with the name testa with the name Ena. Below. With the name testa with the name Ena. A. Right? All the people know it. Java test 01. Okay. We should execute with the Java file name with the class name. Sindhu answer. With the Java file name with the class name. With the class name. So what the name of the class? A. Now this class A execution starts with the main method available in the class A. Now main method is not there, so we are getting error. Now I am creating main method in this class. Okay, creating main method. Main method. Public static void main of string array args. Open bracket, closed bracket. Okay, right. Inside this main method, I'm writing message system dot out dot println off. What do you write? Double quotes a main. Save it. Go to command prompt. Compile it once again because source code you changed. Which one I should change? Compile. A class A na or test Java file? Compile Java file. Execute class. Then output is a main. Everyone understand? Already we tested main method. What the mandatory parts? In addition to main method, can I create my own methods? Yes. Void m1 open bracket. My own name I'm taking method name as m1. Inside I am creating a message called m1 method a message creating what? A m1. Tell me, is this m1 method executed? Bolo. Is this m1 method executed? No. Java class execution starts with only main method. Compile test Java file and execute A. So A main. So did you understand, Sindhu, the question? Class execution starts with main method. If you create any other methods, those are not executed. Next, inside a class, can I create more classes? In a single Java file, can I create multiple classes? Just now you have learned, na? You can create multiple classes, not inner classes, Rabuja. Inner class is class creating inside a class. Inside a Java file, can I create one more class? Just now we have learned, na? Inside a Java file, inside a single Java file, we can create multiple classes. Look at that. Interface, abstract class, concrete class, final class, enum. That means what? We can create multiple classes. 0 to n we can create. So now I am creating one more class here. Is it allowed or not? Come on, everybody should answer. Class B, open bracket, closed bracket. Allowed or not? Allowed. Then tell me, if I create a Java file with multiple classes, if I create a Java file with multiple classes, and if I compile that Java file, then how many dot class files are created? Bolo, bolo, bolo. Compiler software responsibility is what? Compile the classes, generate bytecode, save that bytecode in the dot class file. Yes or no? How many dot class files are created? Bolo, bolo. Try to accept the compiler activity and tell me, if I run the test.java file, how many dot class files are created? Right, some people are telling that one dot class file is created. What the name of the dot class file? A dot class file, B dot class file, test01 dot class file. Sitaram, Mr. Sitaram, what the name of the dot class file? A dot class file. Sitaram, answer, Sitaram. A dot Java file. What are you telling Rababu? Bangaru Konda, Chiti, Bangaru. A class file, A dot class file, Rabbi. Then what about B class? Bolo, what about B class? For B class? Then how many dot class files are created? How many dot class files are created? One or two na? Two dot class files are created, yaar. So tell me, if I compile a class with multiple, if I compile Java file with multiple classes, for each class separate dot class file created, A dot class and B dot class. Everybody corrected your mistake? Come on. Everybody corrected your mistake? Then now tell me, I am executing Java file, I am executing class. Class A bytecode stored in A dot class. Class B bytecode stored in B dot class. That means it's logic available in class A dot class. It's logic available in B dot class. Then tell me, I should execute source code or bytecode? Bytecode. Bytecode means what I should write? Java A. Then A class main method output coming. You want to execute Java B, I must keyword Java B. I can compile multiple classes at a time, but I cannot execute multiple classes at a time. You must give each class name separately. Java B. It is throwing error. Main method not available. Please create main method. Okay, let me create main method because JVM asking to create main method. I am creating. So tell me, is it allowed or not? Can I create a main method in multiple classes in single Java file? Allowed or not allowed? Allowed. You are the confusion master because you only start first point and last point. You are a high jump, long jump person. Okay, some people are telling not allowed. Okay, you are a long jump and high jump person. So you will feel only one thing. How can it compile? How it can be executed? But you never raise a question. Why? What is the problem? So what is the procedure? You don't start from zero onwards. Okay, in a single Java file, I created multiple classes. In both the classes, I created main method. Let us analyze. Is there any problem or no problem? Or let us analyze. Okay, at the time of compilation, any problem, compiler software reading this bytecode, reading the source code, converting to bytecode and saving in the A dot class file. Okay, next, now class B, JVM compiler going to class B, reading the source code, converting into bytecode and saving in the B dot class file. There is no confusion to compiler. Compiler clearly separated main method from one class to another class in a 2 dot class file. Then JVM come into picture. At JVM execution time, I am running what? Java tester. Compile successfully. I'm running Java tester. No, I'm running Java A. In A class, how many main methods are there? One main method. Next, I'm running Java B. In Java B, how many main methods are there? One main method. Okay, na? Come on. It's the time you need to properly analyze and tell. Blindly should not answer. Blindly should not answer. Okay, just like that, you should not answer. Properly think and should answer. Is it clear my point? So we can run only one class at a time. We cannot run multiple classes at a time. Is it clear my point? One Java command can take only one class at a time. You cannot, it cannot take multiple classes. Is it clear? So this is the basic idea about what you call how to create a single Java file with multiple classes. Is it clear? Then next tell me. Okay. Right. So I am going very slow. Some other person is joined without any name and is telling that I am going very slow. Okay, thank you. Whenever you feel I am going fast, that time you can join the class. Okay, na? Right. You can leave the class now. Whenever I am going fast, that time you can join the class. Is it clear? Fine. Very good. The next point, tell me, sir. Now the question what I have given now, I wanted to create a single Java file with multiple classes. Possible or not? Possible. Okay. Then can I create a main method in all classes? Yes. Can I compile it? Yes. Can I execute it? Yes. Okay. Then any compile to any confusion to compiler? No. Any confusion to JVM? No. So next tell me. Inside this Java file, directly I am placing a statement system.out.println. Like this, I am placing a statement. Is it allowed or not allowed? Come on, sir. Come on, sir. Is it allowed or not allowed? Inside a Java file, directly I'm placing a statement. Is it allowed or not allowed? Allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Compiler will throw error. Why? Because inside a source file, we are allowed to create only declarations. Class only allowed to place. Apart from class, if you place something else, then compiler will throw error. This is a very important point. You must practice. Compiler throwing error. Look at that. Clearly telling that class or interface or enum expected. If you write whatever you like, it will throw error. Can I comment it? Can I comment it? This comment is nothing but documentation. Okay, this is nothing but description. Can I write like this? Yes. Then clear screen. Where is that command prompt? Command prompt I closed. Okay, CMD. Okay, clear screen. Java C test 01. I am not ready to respond and waste the time by scolding you. So if you are interested, whatever I'm explaining, continue the class, today class. If you are not interested to continue, happily leave the class and you can join tomorrow. Tomorrow also, if you feel boring, you can leave the class. Is it clear? Tomorrow also, if you're feeling I'm going slow, you can leave the class. Understand? Right. I'm not working for only you. There are so many non-IT background students are there. They should also understand the concept. Okay, right. So now go there. No, there is no compile time error. Why? Because I have commented. So the comment section is called what? Documentation. You can write documentation anywhere you wish. Okay, fine. So I have completed documentation section and I have completed multiple classes creation and I have explained you multiple main methods creation. Everybody got clarity? Yeah? Then now go to this topic. Where is this? Now tell me. So now what is the source file structure completed? What are the different programming elements allowed and not allowed inside a source file? What are the different programming elements allowed? Only package, import, class. Except these three, anything else you write directly in the source file compiler, throw error. Among them, what are mandatory and optional? Main method class is mandatory, remaining all are optional. What is the order we must follow to place them? Now, first beginning documentation anywhere. Okay, all the points we already answered. These 7 questions are basic source file structure. Everybody got clarity? Yeah? Right. Now I'm entering into package. Are you ready? So I'm entering into package. Then tell me, 8th point. What is a package? Why package? How can we create a package? First point, tell me. Tell me what is a package? What did you learn in your academics? Some people are there who knows already package concept in academics. Can you tell me what do you know about package? Package is a collection of classes. Package is a group of classes. Okay. Why package? Come on. Why package? Package is used for grouping classes. Oh, package is used for storing classes as a group. Oh, wonderful. Tell me what is a package? Package is a group of classes. Why package? Package is used for grouping classes. Hey, do you have common sense? What is a package? Why package? Both you are telling the same statement, right? Tumri fellow. When I ask, what is this? What do you answer? Click on raise button and tell me, what is this? What is this? What is this? This diagram. It is a person. Okay, when I say, what is this? You are telling what? It is a person. Now, I'm giving something like this. What is this? It is a, what is this? It is a animal. It is a thing. What is the common name? What the common name? Thing. What is this thing? Person. What is this thing? Animal. Tell me, what is this thing? Fan. Yes or no? Like this. What is a package? What is? Who are you? You are a student. Who are you? You are a student. Right? Who am I? I am a faculty. Like that. What is a package? You are not telling that I am listening. Okay? I'm not telling that I am teaching. I'm not telling my operation. Package is used for grouping classes. It is used, but not it. Then what is this group is called? What is this group is called? It is a folder. Package is a folder. Again, Sonal Singh, again you are telling that package is a group of classes. Oh my God. What is a package? You learn wrongly, Babu. Change your mind. Package is not group of classes. Package is used for grouping classes. You are combining the use as a definition. Definition is different. Purpose is different. What is a package? Package is a folder. Why package? Package is used for grouping classes. Package is used for grouping classes and separating, okay, separating one group of classes from another group of classes. Also used for separating a new class A from the existing classes if both names are same. Are you catching my point? So what is the use of package? Package having two purposes. Package is used for grouping the multiple related classes and interfaces. Package is used for grouping related classes and interfaces as a one group by separating from another group of classes, and also used for differentiating two classes if both names are same. So if you want to solve a naming conflict problem, if you want to create two classes or two Java files with the same name, then you must create what? Package. Everybody got clarity? Huh? So please try to change your definition. If interviewer asks a question or your advanced Java faculty asks the question, what is a package? You must tell a package is a folder. It is used for organizing related classes and interfaces as a one group, to separate them from another group of classes, also used for differentiating one class from another class if both have same name. Generally people will call a package is a group of classes, but what is that group? That group is what? Folder. Everybody got clarity or definition? And tell me, how can we create a package? How you created a class? How you created a class? By using keyword class. Same way, how can you create a package? By using the keyword package. Observe now, I'm giving a.java file. This is a.java file. In this a.java file, I want to create a package. What the syntax to create a package? Package p1 semicolon. That's all. Package name. Sir, you are using p1. Someone test case, na? Simple test case. That's why I'm using the package p1. Okay. Next, following by package, you must create class A, open bracket, closed bracket. Everybody got clarity? Yeah? So this is the package creation. Tell me, if I create a Java file with a package statement following by class, what the meaning of it? This class A is belongs to the folder called what? P1. Tell me, when I compile this class, what happened? Come on, when I compile this Java file, what happened? Background, in our hard disk, in our project folder, P1 folder is created. Na? Come on, everybody should answer. P1 folder is created, and in that P1 folder, in that P1 folder, a.class file is created. So if I don't tell the definition, a package is a folder, will you get the visualization? What is happening background in the hard disk? My definition is correct or not? A package is a folder. It is used for organizing or grouping multiple related classes and interfaces as a one unit, and further used for differentiating one group of classes from another group of classes, also used for differentiating one class from another class if both have same name. So if you don't learn definitions properly, the visualization will not come properly, subject analyzation you cannot get properly. So shall we test one program on this? Let me test. Now open Notepad. Open Notepad. I'm creating a class called example. Okay, open bracket, closed bracket. Inside this class, I'm creating main method, public, static, void main of string array args. Okay, string array args. Now, inside main method, I am writing a message, system.out.println, system.out.println, double quotes. I'm writing example main. Okay, save. I'm saving with the same name example. Already example.java there. Let me see what is there in example.java. It is empty file. Okay, save with the name example.java. Yes. Okay, tell me, is it a packaged class? Come on, sir. Is it a packaged class or non-packaged class? It is a non-packaged class. Open command prompt. Command prompt open, clear screen. Java C example.java. Dot class file created in the current project folder, packages folder, and then Java example. Java example. Output coming what? Example main. Rabuji, all people understand? Right. But now I want to introduce packages. Then where I should write package? Package P1. Okay, package P1, save, and then clear screen, come back here, Java C example.java, compile. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, first I compile and executed. Tell me, you try to answer. If I introduce package P1 and if I compile with Java C example.java, tell me background, folder created or not created? Background folder created or not created? In hard disk, background folder created or not created? Anyone can answer? Anyone can answer, please? Anyone can answer, please? Java C example.java I compiled. Background folder created or not created? Yeah, many people are telling that created. Not created. Hey, not created. Then why not created? If I given a class keyword class, dot class file created. If I create a package keyword, package folder must create na. Hey, why not created? And your people are telling that package is a collection of classes. Where is a collection of classes? Created or not created? Not created. Why not created? Simple. Package keyword will do only one activity. The one activity is linking this class to this, linking this package to this class example. Try to understand, sir. What is a package? Package is a folder. Is every folder is a package? No. What is a package? Package is a folder. Is every folder is a package? No. Student is a person. Is every person is a student? No. Right? Same way, every folder is not a package. For example, packages is a folder, right? It is a folder, but it is not package. JB, Java Basics is a folder, but it is not a package. If you want to call a class is a, sorry, if you want to call a folder is a package, it must link with what? The folder name must link with what? The class. If it is a linking with the class, then only we call it as a package. And now tell me, this keyword package doesn't create the package folder background by default. It will just link this package P1 to this class example P1.example. Already catching my point? At the time of compilation, package P1 is removed. At the time of compilation, package P1 is removed, and then p1 dot is attached to the class example. Let me show you in the dot class file. Go to dot class file. If you compile a packaged Java file directly by using Java C, compiler software will just link that class. It will just link that class to link the package to the class. That's all. Look at there. Hey, clear screen. Java C example.java. Look at there. Java P example. If you read the bytecode, hello, what happened background? What happened background? Look at there. Is we have the package statement like in Java file. In Java file, we have package statement. In a dot class file, package statement there or not there? Not there. Then what happened? Package name is linking to this class. All are catch my point? Next, can I execute this class? Dot class file created. Can I execute this class Java example? No, you will get error. Could not find or load main class. Okay, why you cannot load? Because wrong class name. You are running with what name? Example. All right, catch my point? You are running with what name? Example. Then next, why you are running with the name example, and then now you are going the class in the example dot class file available with what name? p1 dot. Everybody got clarity? Yeah, right. So come on. Expecting answer from everyone. Expecting answer from everyone. Did you understand? All people got clarity? Yeah. All people got clarity? Yeah. So what the point you need to understand? What is a package? Package is a folder. What the use of package? Tell me, what is a package? Complete statement I want. A package is a folder which is linked to a class. Okay. How can we create the package? How can we link the package to the class? A package is created by using the keyword package, and it is linked to the class by using the package name. p1 dot is linked. This keyword package creates p1 package name linking to the class. Tell me, by default, the keyword package will create the folder package? No, it will not create the folder package. Next, at the compilation time, what happened? It is linking to the class only. Then how can I create package? There are two ways. To create the package folder, we have two ways. First way, right click, new, folder. Okay, right click, new folder. And now the folder name is what? P1. Why package name is P1? Then move this example dot class file into the package P1. Everybody got clarity? Yeah? Right. So example dot class file is moved into the package P1. Then next tell me. Now go to command prompt. Now look at there. Earlier I executed directly Java example. Now it is not working because the name of the class is what? P1 dot example. What the meaning of P1 dot example? The example class is available in the package called what? P1. Package means what? Folder. How to create the folder? By using manually right click new folder with the name P1. Tell me, this is a folder. Folder is linking to a class. Now can we call it is a package name? Yes, it is a package. Okay. Now go there and execute Java with the name example. No, example is not available in the current directory packages. It is available in the directory where P1. So what I should write now here? P1 dot example. Everybody got clarity? Yeah? I should write P1 dot example. Look at the program is executed successfully. Erabuji, all people got clarity? Yeah? So tell me, what is a package? What is the use of the package? How to create a package? If I compile a program with the package statement, what is doing? As a programmer, further what you must do? Totally 5 points I have told. Point number 1, what is a package? A package is a folder which is linked to a class. Point number 2, what the use of package? Package is used for grouping related classes and interface as a one unit and differentiating from other group of unrelated classes and interfaces. It is also used for creating multiple classes with the same name. Okay, point number 3, how can I create a package? A package is created by using the keyword package. The syntax is package name space, package keyword space package name. Then third point, fourth point, if I compile the program with Java C command, will package folder created or not created? Not created. Then can I execute that class? No. What happened in the dot class file? In the compilation time, compiler software will remove the package statement and link the package name to the example. Okay. Then if you run the program directly, it will throw an error because package is not available. This class is belongs to package P1. Package is not available, so throwing error. Then how can I create a package? Two ways. What are the two ways we can create? Number one, manually. Tell me, Baba. Now, if you must create manually and move the dot class file into the P1 folder below. Now, I'm going to the Java file. I'm changing the message. I'm changing the message, let's say, or I can say one more statement I'm writing, main starter, and I'm writing what? Main end. Just I have written some message like this. Save it. Then go to command prompt. Then compile this program. If I compile this program, is a dot class file automatically copy into this folder? Bolo, automatically copy into that folder? No, it is not copying automatically into that folder. Then dot class file generated and saved in the project folder packages. In project folder packages, example dot class file is saved. Then what to do? If I run this program, with what syntax I have to run? With example. If I run with Java example, it will throw error. Are babu, in the example dot class file, class name is p1 dot example. Okay, p1 dot example, so you cannot run it. Okay, then if you write Java p1 dot example, p1 dot example, then it will execute old class, not the new class. Then what to do? You manually should move example dot class file into p1 folder and replace that file. Then you run it, and now you will get the latest output, example start, example end. So tell me, any number of times you are modifying the code, as many times you are modifying the code, those many times you have to every time the move the code into the package, na? That is a bad programming practice. Second approach, what the second approach? Programmatically I want to create the package. How can I create programmatically? All the people know, Baba, all the people know Java C. I told you something called hyphen D, na? Java C hyphen D dot. Okay, Java C hyphen D. What hyphen D will do? Hyphen D command will, with the hyphen D command, Java C will go into this example.java file and looking into example.java file, is there any package available? If a package is available, it will create the folder with that package name P1. Understand? And then compiler software will take the package name, attach to the class, generate the dot class file, store the dot class file in this package one P1 folder automatically. And where this P1 folder is created, this P1 folder is created in the given path. What the path you have given? Dot. What the path given? Dot. Dot means what? Current directory. In the current directory, it will save. Am I going fast? All people understand what I'm talking? Look at there. Look at there. Now look at there. P1 folder created. Na? In the P1 folder, look at there. Example.class file is saved. In example.class file, Java p1.example. If you look at the bytecode inside, look at the class name. Is P1? Class name is example P1. P1. Okay, Sunil, what is your question? I didn't read your question. Repeat the question again. Please repeat your question. I didn't read your question. Sunil, repeat fast. If I have multiple classes, then will we use a package? What the problem? You can use package. Okay, fine. So tell me, did you understand how to create a package? And inside the package, under a package, if you create a class, background, what is happening? If I compile the program, by default package keyword will only link your package name to the class. It will not create the package folder. Okay, na? If you want to create a package folder, what should I do? I must use the option hyphen D, following by the place you want to store the directory. Yeah, you wanted to store in the current directory, so I have used dot. Then if I use a hyphen D option dot, totally how many activities are going? There are two activities are going. Number one, with the name P1, folder is created. And then number two, this package is attached to this class name. Then how to compile it? Compile with Java C hyphen D. How to execute? How to compile? Java C hyphen D. How to execute? You must use, for execution purpose, you must use Java with package name dot example. By telling like this, what informing to the JVM, go to package P1 folder. In that, find the class example dot class file. In example dot class file, the class called P1 dot example there, go and execute it. Okay, everybody got clarity? Yeah? Tatapudi Ashok, I'm not madam, I am sir. Okay. Okay, everybody got clarity how to compile and how to execute package statement? I told you this chapter will take 2 days, today and tomorrow. 2 days it will take. Now tell me, can I place this package folder in C drive? Anybody can help me? Can you place in C drive in test folder? Test folder already there. In test folder, I have one dot class file. Okay. Can I move to C colon test? Come on. Yesterday class knowledge use. Tell me, I want to generate a package dot class file from this. Then what to do? I have to place. Now tell me, I have to place. Dot place what I should write? P1 place what? Sorry, dot place I should write C colon slash test. Look at that. Right. I didn't yet explain what is the main purpose of package ra babu nana. I'm explaining how to create a package, how to execute the class with a package. I'm explaining. Without knowing package, how can you understand the purpose of package, Rabbi? Brainless people, Rababu. From where you people are coming, Rababu? From where you people are coming, Rababu? Which state you are a state, Rababu? What is your education background? Huh? Sunil, what is your education background? Are in sleeping mode, listening mode? Huh? You are in sleeping mode, disturbing mode? 30 fellows, Rababu. నేను ఏం చెప్తున్నాను అది వినండి రాబాయ్. వాట్ ఐఎమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ద టాపిక్ రాబాయ్. వై యూ వాంట్ అనదర్ టాపిక్? యూజ్లెస్ ఫెలోస్, బ్రెయిన్లెస్ ఫెలోస్ రాబాయ్. What I am trying to explain, that you concentrate, Rabbi. Tell me what I am explaining now. Sunil, reply. If I ask the written question, nobody will reply. Silently sitting. You understand that? Then why you are asking the next question? Did I come to the next question? Minimum common sense is not there, Rabbi. 6th class students are understanding better than you, Rabbi. You BTech brainless fellows. You are really BTech students, brainless fellows. 6th class students are there in the 11 o'clock batch. 10th class students are there in the morning 7 o'clock batch. They're wonderfully understanding. They're enjoying the class like anything. You BTech people, torturing like anything, frying me like anything. Did I explain the user package yet? Without knowing the package, how can I understand how to use the package? Question interesting question. One question also you never ask, which will make me happy. Bolo Baba, currently where is the package available? In which directory? Is it available in the current directory? It is available in the different directory. What is the current directory? What is the current directory? Current directory is packages folder. Current directory is a packages folder. In packages folder, the package and dot class file available? No. It is available in test folder. Tell me, can I write like this? Java P1 dot example like earlier? Then JVM searching for package P1. Inside which folder? Packages. Okay. In packages folder, it is searching for P1. Available or not available? Not available. Then How you are getting output? How you are getting output? Oh my God. Hey, Chuti, even though the package not available in our current working directory, it is executing. How it is executing? Yesterday class, yesterday class, yesterday class, yesterday class. If class is not available in current working directory, searching in the class path, I told you, na? It is searching class path. Already yesterday we have said class path permanently, C:\test there in the permanently, na? That's why it is a finding. Okay, we will do one thing. We will do one thing. Exit command prompt. Now right click on this PC, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, class path. Hatao do. Remove. Remote class path. Okay, okay. Come to packages folder. Open new command prompt window. Okay. Then now execute Java p1.example. Run. Run. We are getting error. Could not find our load main class p1.example caused by java.lang class not found exception p1.example. Okay, na? What should I do now? I should set class path. Set class path equal to what do you write now here? Tell me. You have to set class path to C:\test, right? C:\test slash below. I should include P1 folder also. Come on, sir. Should answer. This is very confusion point from last class. Should I include P1 also? No. Should not include P1 because P1 is a package. It's not a normal folder. It is a package. Package name should not include in the class path. And now Java C. Where should I include the package? In the execution time with the class name. P1.example you should write here. Then here Java command. Okay, Java command will search for P1 folder in C:\test available. In the P1, searching for example.class file available. In example.class file, it is searching for the class with what name? P1.example available. Finally, it is executed. Output is coming, main start, main end. Okay, na? Got clarity? Yeah? Right. Then I am setting the class path like this equal to C:\test slash I'm writing what? P1. Enter. Now if you write Java P1.example, what the meaning of the statement? JVM searching for package P1 in C drive test folder in P1 folder. Tell me, in P1 folder, P1 is available or not available? Then it is throwing error. Could not find our load main class P1.example. Okay, sir, I will do one thing. I will set the class path like this, and I'm giving the class name is only example. Will it work out now? It will throw another error. Look at there. JVM searching for example.class file in a C drive test folder P1. Yes, in P1 folder, example.class file is available. In example.class file, the class name is example P1.example. Come on. You need to answer. Example P1.example. P1.example. Then JVM will throw error. Could not find our load main class. Which class you are asking? Example. Why? Because no class def found error. In that example.class file, the name is what? P1.example. Given class not matched with the class available in the .class file. Hence it is throwing error. Everybody got clarity? Yeah? So today I have explained you. Now the real-time scenario package I didn't explain. I explain you only what is a package, why package. If you want to organize the classes as a folders, then I should use a package. Real-time project scenario I have not explained. Up to now we created a class just like that. And tell me now. Now with this knowledge, try to apply the knowledge. Okay, what the use of package? Now tell me now. This is your house. Are Babu? Who is that person asked that question? Sunila. Click on raise button. Are Sunila? Mr. Uttar Pradesh. You only asked na Sunil? Sunila Sohaila. What's your name, Babu? And now I'm telling what the user package. Understand? This is your home. 4 walls. In your home, you have bedroom, you have hall, you have kitchen, you have bedroom, you have washroom, you have dining table. Lot of things are there. Then, are you leaving your house as it is like 4 walls? No, na. What are you doing? You are making these 4 walls into individual rooms. How? This is east facing, let's say. This is a hall. This is a hall. This is puja mandir. And this is kitchen. This is a kitchen. Next. This is a dining room. Okay. And this is your grandparents bedroom, and this is common washroom. This is your parents bedroom, master bedroom. You are dividing your house into the rooms, na? Why are you dividing? Why don't you place all in a single room? Because different activities. This is a kitchen activity, food preparing activity. This is hall. Friends, your friends are coming, all people are staying here. This is your grandparents living room. This is your parents living room. This is a dining room, eating room. This is washing room. So different activities, different rooms, different arrangements. In the real world, we are calling room. In the programming world, in a computer world, OS. In a computer world, OS, we will go for what? It is called as what? Folder. We call it as a folder. Now, in the programming world, Java, C++, okay, C++, I hope not there, Java, .NET, these places, we call it as what? We call it as what? Package. Okay. Divya, security, I don't know why people are telling security. How security will be provided? Okay. According to rooms, security provided, but according to Java, there is no security with the package. Okay, listen. Now this is my project. Tell me, as part of the project, what are the different operations you are doing? This is the end user. Okay, this is a end user. Now, project you are developing to collect end user values to store in the database, na? To collect end user values and store it in the database. Okay, right. Then tell me, end user, from the end user, I must collect the values. Okay, after collecting the values, I must perform validations and calculations. Is that values, are those values are valid or not? After performing validations and calculations, finally, I must store that values in the database. Tell me, how many types of operations we are performing? Tell me, in the project, how many types of operations we are performing? 3 operations. First operation is UI operations. Second operation is what? Business logic operation, B logic operations. Third operation is what? Persistence operations. I can say DAO, data access operations. Data access. Data. In the database table, we have data, na? Data access operation. So totally, in the project, 3 different types of operations I am performing. Then first I create the project folder. My project name I am taking, let's say HRMS, Human Resource Management System. HRMS folder created. In HRMS folder, all 100 programs I am creating inside this folder. Now suddenly my team lead told me, "Arey, can you please move this button from that place to this place? Arey, please change the color." Okay, now go and add some validation. Then I should search. This UI class representing class is available where I have to search, taking a lot of time. Hello, my dear BTech. Understanding? Tell me, if I arrange them as a folders with the heading UI folder created, all UI classes I am arranging here. Then B logic folder I created and I am arranging all my classes here. And next, DAO Okay, DAO folder I am creating, I'm making all the classes here. My team lead told me, Array, I need to do some changes in UI part. Then directly I will go to UI folder. In UI folder, respective class I am picking and I am modifying. Tell me, all classes in single folder is easier or separation is easier? Separation is easy. Understand? Tell me, in your system, what are you doing? Your system, you divided your system into multiple drives. C drive, then what? D drive, and then what? E drive. Multiple drives you are creating. Why are you dividing the drives? Because separation. Only OS and softwares. My data, my entertainment, movies, songs, my photos. Okay? Tell me, in this E drive, you are creating all files you are copying into single folder? No. You wanted to download one movie songs, 6 songs. 3 movie songs you want to download. Are you copying all the 3, 6 into 3, 18 songs in a single folder? No, right? What are you doing? First movie folder, all the 6 files. Second movie folder, all 6 files. Third movie folder, all 6 files. In real world, you have common sense. Why? Because BTech brain will work only with the real world. Computer, technology. But come to Java, stop using my brain. I always ask only one question. Not understand, not understand, not understand. How can you understand? If you involve the subject, you will understand. You never involve in the subject. Always you will put your brain somewhere else and then listening the class and torturing the faculties. 6th class students, 6th class student, 11 o'clock, Mr. Rohan Kartikeya, something is name. He is enjoying like anything class. He is teaching so many points to me also. Wow, you are studied your BTech, Rabai. Minimum common sense also not there. So finally try to answer. The project is a combination of different functionality classes. While developing those classes, we must not place all the classes single Java file. Single folder. We must arrange them into separate folder. These folders are technically called what? Packages. Package 1, package 2, package 3. Taking the package names as P1, P2, P3 is a wrong idea. Based on these class functionalities, we must choose package names. Now tell me, all these classes, package name is what? UI. All these classes, package name is what? BLogic. All these classes, package name is what? DAO. Everybody got clarity? Yeah? So this is the purpose. So finally, I have completed 3 concepts. What is that? What is a package? A package is a folder which is linked to a class. Why package? Package is used for grouping multiple classes and interfaces. Grouping related multiple classes and interfaces as one unit. And further, it is used for separating one group of classes from another group of unrelated classes. Also used for separating one class from another class if both have same name. Okay, if you wanted to work with grouping classes, first of all, you should know how to create a class. Let us understand how can we create a package. Now package is created by using the keyword package. Then how can we compile and execute? To compile, you must use -d and path information. If I don't use -d option, what happen? Package folder is not created. So with the package keyword performing totally how many operation? 2 operation is doing. First operation is linking the package name to the class. Second operation is informing to the compiler software to create a folder with the package name. So these are the 2 activities is doing. How can we execute the class? To execute the package class, you must use package name dot class name. Got clarity? Yeah? Right. You must practice all these points. Okay. So now you need to practice. You need to practice this one. Tomorrow I will go more depth. I will teach you more depth. Tomorrow class cry like anything. Today Sohail Singh, somebody has told that I am going very slow. Okay. And he started disturbing me like anything. He's not allowing me to go to the next topic. Look at here. I wanted to show you the chat box so that you will realize. I want you to do changes. So you are going too slow, and some other person is asked some other question. Okay, torturing like anything. They are not allow me. They're creating what? Speed breakers. They're creating speed breakers. So what I did, I have removed them. I remove them from the class. If you are creating speed breakers to me without going properly, I am going to remove you from the class. Okay. So that's why be careful in the class. If I remove you from the class, again joining the class become very tough. Okay. And everyday class will not be streamed. Today I removed. Okay. He can listen the class. Okay. So be careful. Be careful. If you are creating obstacle to me, you are creating speed breaker without concentrating in the class, asking nonsense questions, I'll remove you from the class. Okay. Next. I told you already in the last class. Again, I'm reminding you. If you are joining the class with, you are joining class without your name, you are joining the class with a dummy names. Okay. You will be removed in the tomorrow class. Tomorrow when you are joining the class, you must join with your original name. With what name you have registered, with that name you should join the class. Don't join with a system name. Don't join with mobile names. I'll remove you from the class. Clear my point? Swati, I will tell you it's not started. Parallel class is not started. I'll let you know. Okay. Now, let me show you where this material is available. Material already shared it to you. Tomcat is a server, Nana. Is a web server running serverless programs. Tomcat is a server software running our serverless programs. Websites, web applications are executed by Tomcat server. Okay, all the people open this second PDF. In the second PDF, second. Packages. Okay, do one thing. Do one thing. Open this volume 1B textbook. Okay, Core Java volume 1B textbook. In this volume 1B textbook, you will find packages chapter. Maybe at last will be there. So it's a time up for me. I have to start another class. At end of this book, you will find packages. Okay. At end of this book, volume 1B textbook, packages will be there. It is missing here. Okay, I'll find it out. So it's where it is available. Okay, any one of these three books, the packages chapter must be there. Please go and check. I didn't remember exactly where it is there. Okay, na? So please find and try to practice today given all points. Clear my point? Thank you. That's all for the day. I have another class. I need to start their class. Otherwise they will cry. Bye.